Hey YouTube, welcome back to another edition. Today we are working on some Can-Am suspension parts for a side-by-side. These ones, I guess from the customer, he said there's like less than 1,000 kilometers on them, and the paint's starting to flake off and peel from usage. So here we are. I've already sandblasted one of them a little bit. I do have some brackets to take off, and I have a bushing to push out. But this is what they look like from the beginning. And you can see how the paint's just been blasted off of there just from the rocks and stuff hitting it. So we gotta push out the bushings on that end and one on this end, and we have some brackets to take off of each of them, and then we can finish blasting them and get them going. So stay tuned and see how this goes. Alright, here we are. We have these Can-Am parts all set and ready to go. We're ready for some powder. And as you can see, they're all stripped down, sandblasted clean. I got the ends all plugged. I had to take it to a shop that had the bushings pressed. Took out 2 little brackets off of there. And we had the mounting bolts for those brackets. So we are going to get some heat going. See if we can make these look a little bit nicer. Make them look like they are brand new. So stick around. We're going to spray some primer. And we're going to keep these going. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around. We've already got the primer sprayed on these control arms. As you can see, already starting to come out nice and smooth. We got the ends plugged up there. That way they can put the bushing back in without any issues. So now we're going to go ahead and spray some black. Stick around. I'm going to work twice as fast. And there we have it. They are sprayed black for now. I will be throwing a flat clear on them, just because I know they're going to take a lot of abuse out there on the trails. So we're going to let the powder flow for a bit. Going to do about a 3/4 cure. Then we'll come back, we'll throw the clear on it, and then we'll go in for the final cure. And that should have these lasting for years to come. So stick around, see what we get. Alrighty, here we are. We got the black done. We did about a 3/4 cure. It's got a little bit of a gloss to it, but it won't have a glossier much longer. We're going to put the flat clear to it. So, let's see what we can do about making them look a little bit more flat. So just like I did for spraying the black, I think I'm going to try and work twice as hard. Get that clear coat sprayed, and I'll show you the final results that I'm sure you're just waiting to see. So stick around. There, the clear goes on white, kind of like that, and then as it melts and does its thing, it goes clear. So now we're going to do that. We're going to let these do their thing. We're going to come back, and show you what we get. So stick around. Alright, thanks for sticking around, everybody. Now it's time to show you what these Can-Am parts look like. If you remember back in the beginning, they were peeling, rusted, paint flaking off. It really didn't look good for something with less than 1,000 kilometers. So hopefully he gets more than that out of these now. But so don't forget, go click subscribe, click like, drop a comment, you know, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. And now, let me know what you think of these. You see I got the bushing hole all nice and open, clean. Makes it easier when they go back together. Nice flat black. They were primed, then a coat of black, and then a flat clear was put on top. So these should last you for many years, unless he drives them on rocks or something, but that's different. But he shouldn't have to worry about the rocks anymore flaking or peeling it off, chipping the paint. There's the two brackets that we had done, and then all the nuts and bolts to hold those on, got them done as well. I've got the threads, I don't know if I can zoom in well enough, but you can see the tape in there that is covering the threads, so they're staying clean. So when my customer comes and gets them, all he's got to do is put the bushings back in, put the brackets back on, and he's good to go. Put his bike back together and he can enjoy the weekend, go wheeling, doing whatever. So, like last time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit like, hit that little bell for notifications of when there's new stuff posted. And if you like it, if not, still hit that subscribe button. Why not, right? You're already there watching the video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of them. Just even just to say hi, whatever, leave a comment. But that's enough of me talking and rambling on. I'm going to get started on the next project I have in here, which I'm going to give you a quick teaser of it. It's customer dropped it off about an hour ago. It is an old Kawasaki T8 250 two-stroke. We're going to be powder coating the engine casing, the cylinder, cleaning it all up. This is going to go right along with the Kawasaki frame that I've already done. Posted a video of it, so I'll be linking the two together so you can watch them one or the other or both. So that's going to be hopefully within the next week or two. I'm just waiting on some more powder to arrive before I can touch it. So just kind of keep an eye on things, watch the channel, and you'll see that video come up shortly. So till next time, remember to stay warm and keep it loud.